So for those of you that are wearing a fixed appliance, you may come across some problems. First thing that might happen is you may have a bit of wire that's digging in. So the wire could be digging in, and it could be that it's long on one end and short on the other. So what you do is you get a pair of tweezers and you can just thread it through, move it along. If you cannot do that, you can use a bit of orthodontic wax, and if you can't get hold of orthodontic wax, the covering of like a hard cheese, like Baby Bell, can basically be used as some orthodontic wax and just cover the wire that's sticking out so it's not poking you on the inside of your cheek or your gum. If one of the brackets comes off, or what we call debond, then you can actually remove the bracket. So there's a little O-ring that's holding the bracket to the wire, and you can carefully remove that O-ring and therefore take that bracket off the wire. Keep that bracket safe and bring it to your next appointment. But again, if you have any issues, if it's a little bit confusing, don't worry, just call us and we can talk you through it. And if a bracket does come off and it means that now that tooth is not attached to that wire, that tooth may move. Don't be alarmed. We can correct it once we see you again. We can rectify it, so don't panic. Similar sort of advice if you have a fixed bonded retainer, so they go on the insides. It's after you finish your treatment and it holds your teeth in place. So if a bit of the wire comes off, just try and manipulate it with your finger. You can push it, tuck it away so it's not poking your gum or your tongue. If quite a lot of it has come off, you can gently peel it off away from your teeth, but please be gentle and only take it off if it does come off gently. Or again, you can use a little bit of orthodontic wax just to cover it so it's not poking your gum or your cheek or your tongue. If you are struggling to get some orthodontic wax, some of our clinics are open, so you can give us a call and you can pop by and one of the staff members can pass you over some orthodontic wax. If you do use any kind of tool in your mouth, please make sure it's disinfected.